Well, howdy people, this is DJ 56 Sales here in Boston, Massachusetts. I just want to do a video here on this other type of Roger Beat box. It's in the smaller box. Okay, it has no echo in it. It's talkback Roger Beat lock. This will forward the song. Actually, this will reverse the song and lower the volume. This will forward the song and up the volume. And in the back there's the speaker and the power, and there's an SD card. So this is the SD card. This is a different version, the smaller version with no echo. And I think there's 103 sound bites on here. And this is one where you can add your own sound bites. You can just, let's see if I can turn this up and maybe you can see this. Let's see, like that. Then if I turn this around, you'll see that there's an SD card slot right about there. So I'm going to put this back down, get this back down here, and we'll go through some tunes here that you can listen to. So this is a key up noise toy box, okay, and you can lock your favorite, whichever one you come to, and you can search this without keying up too, okay. So, and I'm using a Cobra 29. This is wired for 4-pin microphones, Galaxies, Connexes, Cobra 25s, Cobra 29s, all the family that uses the 4-pin. And you can use a 5-pin if you get the adapters, and possibly a 6-pin if you get the adapters for that to go from 4 to 6. Okay, so I'm just going to key this up, and I have a radio over here. This is, let's see if I can get that. It's just turned around, but it's a Washington, okay, and you'll hear it out of that, and you'll hear it out of a speaker over there of the talkback speaker, which plugs in the back. You can use just a regular computer stereo. So we'll just play the first song on the list. And by the way, when you shut this totally down, this is the on-off right here, and volume for the talkback. When you power this down, it's going to default to the first one all the time, so that you should make that your favorite, so that you don't have to go searching for it and lock it all the time. You'll know it's your first one. That's, you know, so when it comes on, you're on your first one, and if you want to stay with that, just lock it and you're all set. Okay, so I hear a little skip in there too coming in, so let's see what happens here. We turn this up so you can hear the talkback volume. So say you like that one there. Just get this switch, flip it up, and every time you key up, you're going to get that. You put this back down, it'll continue on. And also, there's a red pilot light and this green light right here that you see coming on.
Go ahead, make my day.
Blinks to the sound of the song, and when it's over, you'll know the song is over. So, if you didn't have the microphone keyed, you can do this. So I'm going to play through these here fast, and let's see what happens.
You suck! Hooray! Monster kill, kill, kill. Hey! Your balls are showing. Hello out there in TV land.
Then you hear a tale of a fateful trip that started from this tropic point aboard this tiny ship.
So I just reversed back to the Ghostbusters one. Okay,
Strange. Can you believe it?
and I reverse back to that. And there's forward again.
Just sit. Monday, happy day.
He's looking at you, kid.
I made the volume go louder by just holding this in long. If you hit it fast, it makes the song. If you push it in fast, it'll make the song go forward. Same thing with this. If you push the red in, it'll make it go reverse. But if you hold it in while the song is playing, it'll change the volume.
This here song, it ain't so sad.
I'll be back. I'm too sexy for my cat.
Say, kids, what time is it? I'm too sexy for
I'm about to whip somebody's ass.
Can you hear me, boy? This is Sheriff Cupid Teacher, and I got a beat. Wow! I feel good.
Welcome to Altair 4, gentlemen. Quiet, please. I am analyzing.
Now here's some of the beeps in here that are the most common beeps. Now, of course, if you like that one, just hit that up. Oh, hold on, let's see. Oh, that will, it's not locking because I am advancing this. It will lock if, oops, sorry about that. It will lock if, for the microphone part. Okay, so we'll put that back down and we'll just continue with the sounds here. So I think we'll come around again.
How lucky can one guy be? So long, suckers!
So again, if you wanted to go back,
So long, suckers!
and then if you want, you found it, you searched it out, you found it, now that's lock it in,
So long, suckers!
and you can hear it coming through the the Washington over there.
So long, suckers! So long, suckers!
So again, this is same size box as my other box that has the 150 tones in it. Okay, but this has the SD card. You just push it in, it'll pop out, and here's the adapter that it comes with, the SD card adapter, so that you can put the little micro SD card in there and then put it into your computer or an SD card reader, and it'll come up in a folder with all of them listed in there, and in the directions it'll tell you how to stay with the numbers. Like if you wanted to go change out soundbite number 50, it's numbered 0050 space name .mp3. Well, you would do the same thing. Rename it 0050 space the name, the new name, and then .mp3, and just put it right back in that slot. You delete the other one. And if you want to keep on adding whatever the last one is, if it's 0100, you would put in 0101 space name .mp3. Very simple. There's a program out there called Audacity. It's free, and there's another one out there that's listed in the directions that you can basically download and make your own sound bites. So anyways, I'm going to post this. This will be on Facebook and eBay and YouTube. Okay, this is going to go on my YouTube channel with all my other stuff. So this is DJ 56 Seals here in Boston, Massachusetts. You all have a good night, and Happy New Year. Happy 2021, and everybody stay healthy and safe.